Welcome to another stage of planting in summer. So this is what I'm going to be using to support the plants, especially the tomato and the cucumber. Back home in Africa, they usually use bamboo stick to support it. But before I do that, I need to look at the tomato very well. There are some, tomato leaves growing in between the main leaves of the tomato, so I need to separate unwanted one. Separating it is very important because it will help the tomato to bring forth fruits. If you leave it like this, you will have so many tomato leaves, which the Germans calls Blätter, kind of. So look at it, the one I just pointed, and I'm pinching it out. Doing this, you need to be careful not to pinch the main thing. Look at it. These things will not allow it to bring forth fruits, but there will be so many leaves around the tomato, showing that the tomato is, doing well. But at the end of the day, some of them may not be able to bring forth fruits. So that was why I removed them. So I'm now putting what will support them. They need a supporter, something that will allow them to climb, So you have to support some of your crops, okay? So that is what I just did now. This particular thing I'm using to support it, I don't know, I cannot remember the English name anymore, but the Germans calls it Rindhefe. So it is just helping it to grow, to lean on it while it is growing. Look at how tall it is, So the white people made it possible that you can actually walk into a shop and buy this. But back home, they usually go to the bush to cut trees that they are going to, break into pieces to make up this. But buying this is also in a kind of expensive because 3 of it costs almost €4. So when you look at it, and if you know that you planted a lot of things and you are going to be buying a lot of it to support what you planted, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So at this stage, I've moved to the cucumber side. Cucumber likes to climb. If you don't give it support to climb, it will just be on the floor, and still doing well. In a situation where you have kids around you and your cucumber is on the floor and also doing well, some of them may, be tempted to start playing with these whenever they go out to play or to sit outside, depending on where you planted. So that is why there is need to, give it a direction how to grow and where to, focus their climbing, So this is it. Thank you so much for watching.